Let's first start out with some shout outs. Some shout outs for Love Chunk 71, Rachel's Nail Glam, Basic Nail Art Tutorial. Thank you girlies so much for being the first 3 to comment down in my last video. We're gonna go ahead and get on into it. This is an unboxing for the Ohuhu. Ohuhu, I think that's how you pronounce it. I've only seen them make markers. I didn't know that they made a polygel kit, but this kit includes 12 colors. So there are 8 regular colors and then 4 thermal colors. So this is what everything looks like. It's pretty big, you guys. It's a big kit. I was not expecting it to be this big. Let's open it up and see what we got. Dang. You know, I took a peek at this yesterday and oh my goodness, you guys. I opened up three of them and they were transparent. I'm hoping there's some solid colors in here. But that's fine if I get all transparent colors. I mean, they're all super pretty on here. They got some pretty basic and simple instructions, a nail prep, which is good. Alright, let's go ahead and see what comes all in this box. So right here we have our dual forms, and I'm happy they came in a box that separates it, but there's no sizes written on the box, and they're kind of super curved. I don't know, I might try them out to see how the ending result is with these ones, but if I don't like these ones on like the first finger, I'll probably switch over to my EC basket ones. It comes with a slip solution, which is good. Some cuticle nippers, which I probably use those to take my bling off with, which is good because I don't have any of those yet. And they're pretty heavy, you guys. Like, they're super heavy. Like, they're good quality metal. They're not cheap metal. I could say that for sure. Alright, now we have some nail clippers, which these are pretty heavy as well. We have a cuticle pusher. Alright, there's a 100-180 hand file, which is good. It's pretty sturdy too. And we have our spatula and a brush. And it sucks they didn't put their company's name on the brush, like brand it, but you know, it's actually pretty stiff, which I think that will be good. I haven't tried these yet, but if you guys want to see part 2, that will be uploaded here in a few days. I will be doing a set on my other hand. So if you guys would like to, please comment down below. Also like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you guys do see my next videos I will be uploading. I have SXC foil kit that I got that I will be doing a review on too. Alright, next they sent in a base coat. I'm sorry, my kids are playing in the background, so you'll hear them mumbling throughout this entire video. To me, I think these are like super watery, like super watery. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me put the light on it a little bit more. Both the base coat and the top coat are super watery, so I'm hoping the base coat actually holds on pretty well. If it doesn't, like that card said in the beginning, if there's anything that pretty much goes wrong with this product, you can get a refund for it. So if there's anything that does go wrong, I will be getting my money back. But so far so good. Everything's like very professional, well laid out. I really like the packaging. I mean, I'm getting ready to show you guys these glitters. These glitters are like life right now. They're all holographic except for like 2, I think. But oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe they actually sent in a mixed glitter with like fine, chunky, and medium glitters in it. And they're holographic. I'm done. These are so pretty. So this one's just like a fine, or what do you call it, like dust glitter. Super holographic. I like how my camera picks it up. Here's another finely milled glitter. I am loving these colors. Purple and blue are my favorite colors, so I'm happy there was a purple holographic chunky and fine glitter mix in this. This is my favorite, ultimate favorite. What was your guys's? The pink chunky one, the blue one, the silver holographic one, or this one, the purple chunky one? Alright, let's get into these colors, you guys. So, here's all 12 laid out. They're actually just a tiny bit bigger than my EC basket I ordered and reviewed a while ago, like months ago. So let's go ahead and swatch these out on a paper towel because I do not have swatch sticks, you guys. I'm sorry. So this is like the next best thing. This is number 1. They do not have any names on it. They're only numbered. So number 1 is white. Number 2 is a transparent pink. Number 3 is more of a like bubblegum pink. Actually, you know what? I think it's a little bit darker than it's a little bit darker than bubblegum pink. It has like a hot pink tone to it, which is really pretty. I like it. So number 4 is more of a salmon pink, which I really like this one too. Alright, now number 5, let me get the top off. This is more of like a apricot or like a peach. Alright, number 6 is a transparent hot pink, which I've never seen a transparent hot pink before, so I really like that. Now we have a transparent light brown. Number 8 is clear, and it looks pretty clear to me, but I won't be too sure until I do my nails with it. So number 9 is the thermal purple, and this color is by far my favorite. I love purple and blue, and this is such a pretty purple. Alright, number 10. Let's take the top off. And this one is a thermal red. Number 11 is a thermal orange. And number 12 is a thermal yellow. Let me know what you guys think of these thermal colors. Do you guys like them? I really like this kit so far, you guys. It kind of gives me a variety of different colors, which I really, really like. Alright, now watch this, you guys. Just watch, watch, watch. You see the color at the bottom right where I'm pointing at? If you've seen that color fade away into a little tiny circle, that was the color transitioning from the regular color to the cloudy clear. And this is it slowly going back. My room is pretty cold, so it is slowly making its way back to the regular color. And this is after they have completely gone back to their original color. And you guys, they're actually, I'm surprised they even went fully back to the same color. So I'm gonna go ahead and top coat these to see how well this top coat is and see how the colors look with the top coat on them. I'm curious to see if this is a tacky top coat or if it is a no wipe. Wow, these colors are really pretty. Okay, we'll go ahead and cure that. Boom. And this is everything that came in the kit, you guys. I am happy to say that the top coat is a no wipe top coat. Okay, you get all of this stuff, you guys. All of this stuff for only $34.99. I cannot believe it, you guys. I will leave the link down in the description below. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Pretty big unboxing, actually. And I hope to see you guys in my next one for part 2. Bye, you guys.